So now let's do the final edit right now. This is the final prompt, the final scene. So I'm going to download this right away. So I'm going to download that. I have my whole scenes. I have it already, and see what I have left. My AI creation credits. Look at what is left of it. So coming back here, I'm going to come to import, and I'm going to be able to choose this. Then we have this right now. So let's see what we have so far. So let's see. So it's going to be
suffers alone. So overall, how is the Lad Tech Academy?
okay. So I think this would cut it. So I'm going to delete this right. So let's start this way.
Lad Tech Academy. Stressful, but worth it. Worth it because I'm entering my tech glow up era. Join the Lad Tech Academy today before we become your boss.
Okay. So I think this works fine. So I'm just going to make sure it comes this way a bit. So let's see.
How is the Lad Tech Academy? Stressful, but worth it. Worth it because I'm entering my tech glow up era. Join the Lad Tech Academy today before we become your boss.
Okay, perfect. So this now works for me. So we are done with the voiceover and the beginning. So we'll be able to bring in all the clips all together. So what we want to do next is to have our text. So I want to have an auto caption. Yes, I want to have an auto caption. That would be nice. So come to your text right here, and then text you see something like auto captions on CapCut. So I'm going to have something like this, and I'm going to generate. So there's something I'm doing. I'm using a method where I could use pro features on CapCut without having to pay. If you want to find that, you need to come to YouTube and search for a YouTube video that will show you how to do that. So I want you to come to this YouTube channel, and here in this YouTube channel, you get how I'm using this CapCut without having to pay. So come to my YouTube channel. While I'm coming to that, let me generate my auto captions as well. So I'm going to search for beloved Adejigbe, which is very important. So I'm going to search for beloved, okay, Adejigbe. Look at the full name right here. It is beloved Adejigbe. So I'm going to search for that. So when you search for this, you should do well to subscribe, but come to this channel right here, and here in this channel look for CapCut. So come use the search button so you could search on the channel directly. So I'm going to click on this search button, and this search button now I want to search for CapCut. Yes, so I'm going to search for CapCut, and I'm going to have that sent. So let's search for CapCut right now. So when you search for CapCut, you'll see some CapCut video, but the one that you'll be needing for what I just did is this: how to use CapCut Pro for free. So look for this video right here, watch it and implement what I did in the video, so you'll be able to do what I'm about to do right now. So let's play this. So we have the auto caption.
Okay, besties.
Okay, but before we apply the auto caption, let's use a template. So you come to your template right here. So here in templates, you have different templates you could use. So let's look for the one that would suit us so far. So let's see. So we have all these templates. So let's see this template right here. Let's see this red template, like something that will work. So let's see. So I'm trying to apply this very template. So let's see. So let's play this and see what the template looks like.
Okay, besties, welcome to the
No. So let's use another template. So let's keep going till we see the template that will suit us. So let's keep going. I think this works. So let's see. So let's see this. So let's play. Okay.
Okay, besties, welcome to.
Okay, so perfect. So you could do some of the changes. All you have to do is click on where you're seeing mistakes. I'm seeing some mistakes, so I could come to basic, and it is Billard Tech Academy. So that is Billard Tech Academy. Yeah.
To the Lad Tech Academy, where dreams are built and stress is free.
Wait, you actually come here willingly?
Willingly? No. For my future bank account, yes.
So, what do you people even do here? Hack the government?
Relax, sir. We learn coding, design, tech skills.
And you understand everything?
Of course not. We just stay until it makes sense.
Okay, so we just tear. Okay, we just tear until it makes sense. Okay,
Till it makes sense. Good projects are my favorite.
okay, this is group project, not good project. It's an African tone, so yeah, group project.
It.
Lies.
Okay, fine. It's 20% teamwork.
And 80% confusion?
Exactly. But we still sleep.
So, when do you rest?
We don't. We just take snack breaks to survive.
Tech students run on what?
Vibes, Wi Fi, and pure motivation to not be broke. And when you're about to throw your laptop,
Mentor appears?
yes, like a tech superhero.
So, help is actually real here?
Very real. Nobody suffers alone.
So, overall, how is
Okay, so this now should be changed. So we need to edit this. So it's going to be how is Bella Tech Academy.
or how is Bella Tech Academy?
Stressful?
But worth it?
Worth it because I'm entering my tech glow up era. Join Bella Tech Academy
Okay, so these two should be corrected. Is Bella Tech Academy, Bella Tech Academy.
Academy today before we become your boss.
Okay, perfect. So here we have the main content. All I needed to do is to make sure I what we can do is I would have loved to add some music, but we don't really have time for that. So I want to export the way I used to. Like I said, you need to go watch this video to understand the way I'm using CapCut. So I'm going to do the export and everything. So after I'm done with the whole edit, all I have to do now is to export. So I'm going to click on export just to export it. And this is my video right here. So I would say Bilad Tech Academy. Bilad Tech Academy. So yeah, I'm going to export this right away. So I'm going to be able to export this right now. So let me export this right away. So I'll say reuse. Okay, perfect. And downloads. So I want to choose where I want to send this to. So I'm going to send to download, of course, and I'm going to export this right away. And that way I get to export my video. And that is how to go about this. So back to where I was coming from. So I'm going to come right here and I'm going to come to my download right here to see the video I'm trying to export. So once that is exported, I cannot go ahead to post. I cannot go ahead to post. So now I have my video exported and there we are. So I could just come back right here to check out the video. So since I'm done with the reviews right now, the next thing is for us to be able to post it right away. So come back here, let me check my rules. So this is the rules right here. So I could just play this out. So this is the video.
Okay, besties, welcome to Bella Tech Academy, where dreams are built and stress is free.
Wait, you actually come here willingly?
Willingly? No. For my future bank account, yes.
So, what do you people even do here? Hack the government?
Relax, sir. We learn coding, design, tech skills.
And you understand everything?
Of course not. We just stay until it makes sense. Good projects are my favorite.
Lies.
Okay, fine. It's 20% teamwork.
And 80% confusion?
Exactly. But we still sleep.
So, when do you rest?
We don't. We just take snack breaks to survive.
Tech students run on what?
Vibes, Wi Fi, and pure motivation to not be broke. And when you're about to throw your laptop,
Mentor appears?
Yes, like a tech superhero.
So help is actually real here.
Very real. Nobody suffers alone.
So overall, how is Bellad Tech Academy?
Stressful?
But worth it?
Worth it because I'm entering my tech glow up era. Join Bella Tech Academy today before we become your boss.
So right now, I could go ahead to post my reels. So in the next lesson, I'm going to show you how to post that. I'll see you in the next lesson. See you there.